you to VinchyArt for partnering with me and sending me this beautiful artwork. VinchyArt specializes in meticulously crafted wall art. They will pick an artist who will hand paint your picture specifically for you. Your artwork will come shipped in a tightly secured wooden crate for safety and includes wall attachments and white gloves. So after they have painted your wall art, they actually send you photos for your approval. They will not send out any wall art until you are 100% satisfied. My piece is a highly textured abstract art piece, and I absolutely love it. It looks fantastic in my dining room.